Our quest for the perfect cookie recipe, okay?
Hi, my name is Donny Enoch. I'm the 6th grade culinary arts teacher and 8th grade social studies teacher here at JCMS. The students are really loving the wheel, especially for 6th grade. It's a good change of pace. The goal is really just to get them to learn some basics about food safety. So we talk about making sure everything's clean, sanitizing, storing foods at the proper temperature, not cross-contaminating. So stuff they can really learn here but take at home too. And also trying to make culinary fun. I don't want it to be just about the basics. So we're really trying to include some science behind it because cooking really is all about science.
My favorite part about culinary is just he's teaching us how to cook, so it's saving our parents time and they won't have to spend their years of their life that they're trying to live out teaching us how to do stuff. And he's just bringing out the good in us and teaching us how to cook. It's crazy.
So today we're starting off our quest for the perfect cookie. Yes, we're going to learn how to bake and do those measurements and stuff like that. But above that, we're trying to bake cookies using the scientific method. So it's an experiment. I call it like a food lab. Today we made the control group just as the recipe tells us to make it. And then every group is going to change a variable in the recipe, and then they're going to make their dough, and then we're going to bake the cookies, and they're going to make observations and predictions about how that might change the cookie and how it's going to be different.
I think it's pretty awesome. It's giving kids the opportunity to learn how to cook.
My favorite part is sort of shocking the students when they learn something that they didn't know. It's sort of that wow moment or that aha, like, oh my gosh, I didn't know, that was a bad thing to do or we shouldn't do that. And it's incredibly fun and it's a good break in school, so a lot of kids really enjoy the class. Two, they're going to start learning how to make some food for themselves.
I think it's really good because it gives students like a more, kind of like an insight and like an early start on cooking. So then when they're adults or teenagers, they find it easier and not as difficult to make themselves a meal. My favorite part about culinary is eating the food.
I really try to highlight the CTE element of this could be a career for you in the future. Maybe create a spark in some of them where they're like, hey, I really enjoy this